My wife just showed me, she shared me on a little video. We like pork rinds. They've made pork rinds that you can put in a microwave. Like,
look at this. This is awesome. They are cooking pork skins. They got the pork skins from Walmart, and they are microwaving them. And I'm gonna get some of them.
I said, we got to get that. And she said, they sell it at Walmart. So we got to get it. But, you know, I was reading this on the internet this morning. I don't know if it's true or not, because, you know, it's on the internet. But there was a scaffolding company in Canada. I seen this article this morning. They talk about jail time if you don't want to go to work on your off shifts. That is crazy. And I guess they were kind of getting away from people didn't want to work. They didn't want to work overtime, or they didn't want to come in, I guess, Saturday or work overtime after the shift. So they said they could do several things to them. They could punish them, fine them, or possibly face jail time. And I was like, you got to be kidding me. Just because you won't come in on a Saturday, you can go to jail now? What? That is the craziest thing I heard of. But yeah, I mean, it's crazy. You go to work, you expect to have time off? Nope, you go to jail if you don't come back to work. That is crazy. And this is in Canada. This is insane. Insane that you can go to jail for not working overtime. Man, most people want to work overtime. They need it. But if I don't want to work overtime, well, now I'm going to go to jail or get fined or terminated or, you know, held against me. It's a scaffolding company. How many scaffolding do they need? And I believe scaffolding, that's what they put together that goes up the side of the building or the side of a wall so they can work off of it. You know, kind of like platforms. But you got to work overtime or you'll go to jail. Man, pork rinds in a bag's got to be a whole lot better deal. But yeah, just thinking about that, man, it's crazy. And, you know, we get to wear shorts right now at work, but eventually I'm going to have to get me some pants. So I got to start saving. So I have no idea what kind of pants I want. I got a little weekend job, and it's like Carhartts, but they're Ridgeline or Ridgeview. But they're pretty tough. And the reason I got them is because I just leaned up against a couple things one weekend, and the splinters are on everything. It's a sawmill, so there's grease and dust and oil. So the oil sticks to everything, and sawdust and splinters stick to that. So if you lean on something, you're going to get splinters in your hand. But they cut my pants. When I got home, both pants had the seat ripped out, which is strange. So I bought these other pair of pants, and I've worn them like 4 or 5 weeks now, and they've lasted, you know. Because, you know, we had to sit on like a wooden bench, and it's a sawmill, so the break rooms and the bathrooms are like made with lumber. I don't think they got it from the sawmill because they don't make lumber that big, but, you know, it kind of looks sawmill-y. Like a wooden bench, wooden table, wooden doors over the bathroom stall. I mean, you know, it kind of looks sawmill-y. Or maybe it's old. Maybe that's what they used to have back in the old days, because this company's been around for a while. But it's kind of cool. Kind of cool. You know, Labor Day is coming up. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I think we get fed steaks for Father's Day, we got fed a steak. So hopefully we get fed steaks again. That was awesome. Steaks on Liberty. You know, but we'll probably celebrate it Sunday. And then here we're going to have hot dogs, baby hamburgers. My wife's supposed to grill out, and I don't want to go nowhere. I just want to be around. I won't be lazy that day. That's what I hope I get to do. But yeah, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, dance around, laugh, have a good time. We'll talk at you later. Man, I had this broccoli and chicken. Boy, it was good.